The question, where does prosperity come from? Does it come from begging? Can you be prosperous by begging other countries? Our answer is no. You can only be prosperous if your people, your citizens, or when the government creates an atmosphere where the people produce goods and services and sell them. So we give back all their properties. They had a few properties. They had just 4,000 properties in the whole of Uganda. We gave them back. And because of that, the signal we sent out, I think now there are like 900 factories in Uganda built by these Indians, those who came back, and even others, the new ones who came, who had the information that Uganda has no discrimination. So they came. That's one of the reasons our economy is growing quite strongly. This year, the economy grew by 6%, and it will grow even faster once we solve some other problems. So therefore, the politics of ethnicity and identity in general is wrong politics. So even there, in Somalia, they must solve that problem. Whether they negotiate or whatever they do, the politics of identity must be addressed. It is not a problem only here. When you see the problems in the Middle East, like Lebanon, that's how Lebanon started. The Sunni and the Shia and the Christians, that's how Lebanon started.